Okay folks, I'm back. Second segment of the rice. This is exactly what I was talking about of what it needs to look like. It's been exactly about 10 minutes. So once I see it like this, how you can see it's all evaporated inside. Move it around a little bit. See that there's like no water under there. So what I'm gonna do, and again, I'm pushing. I'm pushing, 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 never stirring. That's a lot of times when you go to the Mexican restaurants and then you can actually taste the grain of rice. Blah. No, that's because they didn't do it right. Okay, so now we're gonna add another thing of water to make sure that it's filled. Make sure it gets in all of those little crevices. And if you want to, even have more flavor depending on your palate, at this point you can add a little bit more salt, a little more pepper. Sorry, no pepper, no pepper. Zero pepper, so I'm going to add a little bit more garlic. Work with me. Just a little bit more, a touch more. Just because I added more water to it, which kind of takes the flavor away sometimes. Just a tad bit more of the salt. Again, no pepper, no pepper. And I can tell it has more than enough tomato sauce. So at this point, we're going to cover it again. And you remember I said that you're going to have to do this twice. So we did it the first time, let it sit for 10 minutes. If you go over that, cooking rice is like babysitting. You can't leave it. You have to be on top of it. You have to pay attention to it. So now we're on our second segment, and I close the lid again, and I'll be back in a few minutes.